Hello everyone, this is Tracy from Snazzymoon Designs. Today I'm going to do a quick video to review the Koala 8.5 by 11 sublimation paper. It's 123 GSM and you get 100 sheets in a pack. So let's begin. So this is a Koala sublimation paper, 123 GSM. And this will be the first time that I've used this paper. You get 100 sheets in a pack. Comes with some instructions, some temperatures, and obviously it's easy to know which side goes in the printer. You got printing on the back, and then you got the blank on the front. So I'll go ahead and put this in my printer and select a design to print, and we'll see how it sublimates. So I am going to put this Koala sublimation paper in this Epson F170 sublimation printer, and as you can see, the blank side goes down and the printed side goes up. And I'm going to print out a couple of designs, and we'll take a look and see how well they printed. Okay, so I printed out two designs using the Koala sublimation paper. I printed this design here. As you can see, it printed out well. No blemishes or anything. It printed out as it should. This has plenty of color in it. And I also printed out this darker design here, which also printed out very well. I don't see any smudges or head strikes or anything like that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap these on a tumbler, and I'm going to sublimate one in a tumbler press, and I'll sublimate the other one in a convection oven, and we'll see what they look like on the tumblers. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've wrapped and taped both of these tumblers with the Koala sublimation paper. I wrap and tape all my tumblers the same, whether I'm going to put them in a tumbler press or in an oven. The only difference is for the oven I use shrink wrap, but they're both taped and wrapped the same. So first I'll sublimate this in the heat press, and we'll take a look and see how well the paper did for that design, and then I'll sublimate this in the convection oven, and we'll take a look and see how well the paper did for that design. Okay, so here's our two tumblers. This is the one I sublimated in the heat press, and this is the one that I sublimated in the oven. I already removed the shrink wrap just to save some time. So we'll go ahead and remove the paper, and we'll see how well the image came out. Like I said, this is the first time I've used Koala sublimation paper. So we'll both get to see at the same time how well it does. Okay, so here's the paper. Looks like most of the ink came off of it. And here's the tumbler. And looks very nice. Looks like the ink transferred well to the tumbler. I think it did a pretty good job. Okay, let's take a look at the one that I made in the tumbler. And this is same paper again, Koala sublimation paper. Take that off. That way a little bit. There's the paper. looks like most of the ink transferred. Just a light bit of ink left on there. And here's the tumbler. Nice colors. I think that the Koala Sublimation paper is definitely a candidate for sublimation. I mean, I don't mind using it from these results. And I think that it's worth purchasing. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description to purchase this paper. I'll see if I can get a discount code also. But if you want to go ahead and purchase it and try it out, I'll have the link in the description. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this review help you decide whether you like the paper or not. And watch my other videos. They're very informative, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.